During the completion phase, an estimated 70% of non-productive time results from poorly executed cleanup operations. The Weatherford line of Wellbore cleaning tools and services provides a clear path for completion by safely and effectively removing wellbore debris. And we do this in the most demanding HPHT environments around the world. Our wellbore cleaning services aid in junk and debris removal and enhance displacement operations that remove drilling fluids and prepare the well for completion. In this configuration, a junk mill spearheads the set of tools which improves the ability to reach total depth by allowing the string to work past restrictions if required. A max blade scraper removes debris from the casing walls. This robust scraper includes a non-rotating centralizer and sprung blades that freely rotate on the scraper's body to reduce the risk of casing wear and provides 360-degree scraping coverage, regardless of well inclination. The Max Force heavy-duty string magnet removes ferrous debris from the wellbore fluid. Another Max blade scraper is installed above the landing sub, followed up with 2 more magnets to remove contaminants from the casing. The Clear Max Mechanical Inflow Test Packer, or MIT, is a multi-set inflow test packer included in the cleanup string to eliminate the need for a dedicated trip to test the liner, which saves operational time and money. Above the MIT packer is the Clear Max Selective Rotation and Circulating Relocking Tool, or SRC-TRL. The SRC-TRL is a weight-activated circulating tool with a quick cycling mechanism that improves displacement. The SRC-TRL reduces the risks associated with ball-activated subs and includes a clutch assembly to avoid twist-off incidents as friction increases during drilling mud displacement. Next is the ClearMax Downhole Fluid Filter, featuring a collapsible cup that allows fluid to flow across its exterior, so solids can bypass the filter tool during circulation. The string ends with a 5th magnet, followed by the drill pipe to the surface. Circulation is performed prior to operations to condition mud and lift solids from the wellbore. Tagging the liner with the landing sub confirms the top of the liner depth. A ball is dropped and landed in the ball seat and pressure is applied. The drag lock retracts to the redundant position once the required release pressure is achieved. The MIT packer can now be set by applied weight. The MIT packer slips are now set and the elements are sealed in the casing. A positive pressure test can now be performed to confirm integrity. The BOP is closed and pressure testing is performed at the same pressure expected at time of the inflow test, plus a 10% safety margin. Once confirmed, pressure is released and the BOP is opened. The MIT packer can now be released. After confirming that the tool is released and waiting 10 minutes for the element to relax, fluid is pumped into the string to enable the inflow test to take place. The MIT packer is then reset. Bleeding drill pipe pressure lowers the hydrostatic pressure in the drill pipe and liner to allow inflow testing. The well is then monitored for return flow and integrity. After a successful inflow test, the drill pipe is repressured and MIT packer is released. Next, displacement pills are pumped into the wellbore and the liner is displaced from mud to completion fluid. With the liner displaced above the circulating sub, the SRC-TRL is opened by slacking off weight against the liner top, overcoming the collet and primary shear ring. After the MIT packer is set by default, flow is restarted to achieve the maximum allowable rate, restricted only by frictional pressure. Note that at this point only the upper string rotates, which eliminates the risk of twist-off at the skinny string. Once the well is deemed clear of drilling mud and debris, the SRC-TRL is locked by picking up the drill pipe and releasing the MIT packer. The string is pulled out of hole and wellbore fluids flow through the debris catchment area, where it is recovered at surface. The well is now ready for completion. At Weatherford, our experienced teams use industry-leading technologies and provide complete planning, management and execution for flawless wellbore cleaning. Contact us with your wellbore cleaning challenges to see how we can help reduce non-productive time at the completion phase.